What if I told you the most powerful tool for boosting your professional services firm's profitability isn't offering a new service or cutting edge technology, but something far more fundamental? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on why the world's most successful consulting firms, law offices, marketing agencies, and financial services companies are obsessed with something that sounds painfully boring, and that's process improvement. And if you stick to the end of this video, I've actually got a bonus for you. Whether you're running a law firm, a digital marketing agency, an accounting practice, or any other professional services business, you're operating in an environment where your expertise is your product. But here's the critical insight many miss. Your processes determine whether that expertise translates into sustainable profit. Why should you listen to me? Well, my name is Mike Hiley. I'm a chartered accountant and a certified project manager with 30 plus years of experience in working in professional services businesses. Those professional services businesses face a unique challenge. You're selling your team's knowledge, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. They're all intangible assets that can be difficult to systematize. But think about it like this. Your team or your team's expertise is your engine, but your processes are the transmission. Even the most brilliant minds can't deliver consistent value if the systems around them are inefficient. Without effective processes, we see common pain points across all professional services businesses. Projects that go over budget, inconsistent quality, missed deadlines, knowledge silos, high employment burnout, high staff turnover, and ultimately a squeeze in profit margins. And professional services businesses are in the businesses of making money. This is where continuous process improvement, or CPI, becomes your competitive advantage. CPI isn't just for manufacturing. It's a strategic imperative for knowledge-based businesses too. At its core, CPI is about consistently asking, is there a better way to do this? And then systematically making those improvements. Whether you're streamlining client onboarding at a law firm, refining campaign workflows at an ad agency, or optimizing your audit procedures at an accounting firm, CPI delivers tangible benefits that directly impact your bottom line. Let's break down the strategic advantages of embracing CPI in your professional services business. Number one is enhanced efficiency and profitability. Professional services firms often have complex workflows involving multiple specialities or specialists. And so inefficiencies like bottlenecks or redundant steps or unclear handoffs directly translate to wasted hours and squeezed margins. By systematically identifying and eliminating these inefficiencies, you free up valuable time and reduce resource expenditures per project. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's actually about maximizing the value of every hour your team works. Secondly, it creates improved quality and consistency. Clients expect consistent excellence regardless of which team members they work with. And CPI ensures best practices aren't just known but followed, leading to reliable, high quality outcomes that build client trust and strengthen retention. It avoids situations which I'm sure you've had in your business where the client says, I want to work with Jenny because they know she's really great and they don't want to work with John because they don't think he's very good. I'm sure you've all had that situation, right? Thirdly, it creates increased agility and adaptability. The business landscape is constantly evolving, especially now with AI and new technology. So when your teams are accustomed to analyzing and refining processes, they become better equipped to adapt quickly to market changes and new client requirements. It also unlocks capacity and innovation. Your most valuable assets are your people. If they're bogged down in inefficient administrative tasks, they have less mental energy to do the high value work that truly differentiates your firm. So by optimizing the routine, CPI frees up capacity for what actually matters the most, which is solving complex client problems and delivering exceptional results. And it also improves talent management. Optimized, well-defined processes make it easier to train and onboard new team members. It helps them become more productive faster and provide clear expectations and it contributes to better morale and retention. Now, here's the keystone that makes all of this possible. Standard operating procedures. SOPs are the documented processes that serve as the foundation for continuous improvement. And here's why they're essential. They establish a clear baseline that you can improve, and you can't actually improve what you haven't defined. They ensure consistency and quality control across all client work, which we spoke about earlier. They facilitate efficient training and onboarding of new team members, and they capture institutional knowledge, protecting your firm from what we call the bust factor. They enable data, the measurement, and data-driven decision-making. They reduce ambiguity and errors in complex workflows. Now, I know what you're thinking, but we're a creative business or we're a consulting business. Won't processes stifle our innovation? Well, here's the truth. Well-designed processes for operational aspects actually liberate creativity. By handling routine tasks efficiently, SOPs create the space, time, and mental bandwidth for your teams to focus on delivering innovative, high-impact solutions. It's all about streamlining how fast you can excel at what. So maybe now you're asking, well, where do you start? Well, I would say start small. Identify one or two key processes causing the most pain in your firm. Don't try and change everything at once. And perhaps it might be client onboarding or project kickoffs or whatever. Map those one or two processes, document them, identify initial improvement opportunities, and then build from there. Remember, this is a journey, but the return on investment is substantial. For any professional services firms aiming for sustained success, implementing into continuous process improvement mindset firmly grounded in documented SOPs isn't bureaucratic overhead. It's actually a powerful strategic lever. It drives efficiency, enhances quality, fosters agility, empowers your talent, and ultimately strengthens your competitive position and profitability, which is what it's all about. So if you're ready to transform your professional services business with proven processes, I've got something special for you. It's what I referred to at the beginning of this video. We've actually created a comprehensive SOP library with 52 templated workflows specifically designed for professional services firms. It's based on my 30 plus years of experience of working in professional services firms. And it includes ready-to-use collection covering things like client management, project management, finance processes, human resources systems. So click on the link in the description below to get immediate access to this powerful resource. Stop reinventing the wheel and start optimizing your businesses today with tested templates that work. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on building a more profitable, efficient professional services firm, and drop a comment below about which processes you most like or most excited to implement first. Thank you.